If you want to go to Proquest, from here, we just go to P in the A to Z database page, and we scroll down to Proquest Central. Click on Proquest Central and put in your NYIT username and password. From here, you can click Full Text and Peer Reviewed right off the Proquest interface, or you can click on Advanced Search for other features. So again, we can click on Full Text and Peer Reviewed, and let's put in the last 3 years because we want something current. So something from the last 3 years. Let's put in business and hospitality. And search. So it's going to search for full text and peer-reviewed items in the last 3 years. And here we have 10,000 results, but here's the first 20. And let's look at this one, bubbles in U.S. lodging and real estate investment trusts. Here is the abstract. Here is the full text. Here's the PDF. You could download it. Here's the citation button if you want to cite this in APA style. You could download the PDF. And that concludes this session. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.